Hello, good morning, good morning. Kakaboard lang namin sa aming flight to Tokyo. Time check, it's 4:23. Our flight is at 4:45 a.m. So, just in time, aga kami dumating sa airport. Kasama namin si Tito Julius, kasama namin si Mamang, Tita Lani, saka si Tito Cliff, nasa harap. Tita Jen, nandiyan sa likod. Ito yung delegation namin for this year's edition. The first trip of 2026. Going to Hokkaido, Tokyo, Nagoya, Shirakawa-go, and finally Gifu area, no? Gifu Prefecture, and then Osaka. We'll be going home from Osaka to Manila. So it's gonna be a long 16 days and hopefully fun and safe. See you again.
This is our usual flight Z2.
If you want to be happy, don't be sad.
Hello guys, kakalanding lang namin sa Narita International Airport with Tita Jen and of course Tito Jules. Ano una natin pinupuntahan, Tito Jules?
Of course, our favorite Matsuya.
Yon.
Hindi nakakasuya.
Dito muna tayo. Ito sa mga pinakasikat na kanya dito sa Japan. Matsuya chain. Mga usually sikat sila para sa beef rice meals with unlimited sauce. Hello guys, we arrived in Narita at 10 in the morning, but our flight to Hokkaido is not until 5:45 in the afternoon. So what to do between 10 o'clock and 5 o'clock? So, punta kami dito sa Narita-san, Omotesando, the street, and the Narita-san Temple. It's a huge temple complex and park complex. Supposedly built 940 pa pala to. 940 AD. Unfair ko. Ba't yung hotdog nila ang sarap? Yung tubig nila ang sarap, di ba?
Baka humingi kami dito.
Hello, we're at Narita Terminal 1, and as you can see from the headgear, we are prepared to go to Sapporo tonight and brave what we see or what we see from the internet as -5 to -6 degree weather. So look, Tito Julius is also ready. Alright, so when we report again, hopefully we'll be in Hokkaido and Sapporo. See you.
Practice our TikTok dance.
Yes, that's why we went all the way to Hokkaido to practice TikTok dance. Our itinerary today is dance practice the whole day.
Let's go! Kaya pala maka-video. Ulit. Ulit. Where are we going?
Otaru!
Ulit. Where are we going?
Tito, ha? Close muna. Take two, tito. Tita, close.
Oh, yan. Go, Tito ulit. Where are we going?
We're going to Winter Festival 2026. Dory
Let's
Park,
go!
Sapporo. Going to Dory Park to see the giant ice sculptures the whole day today. We're gonna see them in morning, tapos tingnan namin sa gabi with projection lights, projection mapping. Nice. natin.
Ayun, nagpapainit po sa loob.
Kaya papasok muna kami dito. Hindi pwedeng dire-diretso dito, sobrang lamig. Ito. Ito yung mga dugyot. Nilamig na. Proud na proud ka bilang Pilipino kasi isa sa mga sikat dito sa Hokkaido, Pilipino. Kamukha ni Tito Julius na pogi, si Papa Dwight. Papa Dwight. Kasama namin si Papa Julius. Alright. Napakalamig dito sa Sapporo, kaya pangonti sa lamig. Yung specialty nila na miso ramen. So nagpunta kami dito sa Ramen Yokocho or Ramen Alley. No? Dito sa napakaliit na street na to. Merong 17 ramen restaurants. No? Each having their own take on the specialty of Hokkaido, which is miso ramen. So dito, miso butter corn ramen noodles. Ano na, yung steak nila, yung recipe nila. Napakasarap. Yan, may extra boiled egg kami. Sabi nung aming cook, ayan, niluto na sa harap namin. Uwishi daw, uwishi, which means delicious. And it's delicious, it's really delicious. So let's go. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Masarap pa nga ito sa Ichiran.
Ito ngayon.
First stop namin out of Zenibaku is the Roy's Chocolate Factory. Kasi request ng lahat. Gusto nila ng chocolates. And Roy's is from here talaga. From Hokkaido. We're going there. With free chocolate tasting sana.
Nagpa-practice pa sila.
Yung ginagawa na dito. Nagpunta kami ng Otaru kasi dito lang napapasayaw si Tita Lani talaga. Sa Pilipinas hindi sumasayaw.
Hindi ako sumasayaw, no?
Oo, hindi na sumasayaw si Tita Lani.
Bigay na bigay. Ano raw, yung river na kinocross natin is called Barato River. Ayan.
This bridge, just in the middle, yung kanyang support.
Oo nga, ano.
Nasa support niya.
Hindi nalalagas, no? Talagang pang winter sila.
All year yan, all year.
Ano tayo? Sa Royce Clark. Madulas. Oh, wait lang. Ingat muna tayo. Mamaya tayo. Habang nagsasalita, kailangan ingat pa rin kasi madulas. Okay? Okay. Good. Papasok tayo ngayon sa Roy's Chocolate Factory. and Cacao Town. Ayan, Cacao and Chocolate Town. Factory tour starts at 10 o'clock. So, tama lang tayo. Yeah, tama. It's 9:55 a.m. Factory tour starts at 10 a.m. No, let's see if it's worth it. Sa loob naman siya. We're not gonna buy the tickets daw. Yan. Can't be purchased an information desk. So dun dito, admission lang. So if you want to buy, sa loob. Diba? Another 1 second. So let's just pay.
Enter anytime. And this facility is no re-entry. So
No re-entry, just one, yes.
Yeah. So at first, please check before entry that signboard.
Okay.
Yeah. And when you are ready to go, I will check your QR code.
I will give you this.
Yeah.
again.
If you when you are ready.
Hello. Good morning, guys. Dito kami sa Roy's Chocolate Factory in Tobetsu, Hokkaido. Malayo-layo siya from Otaru. Pinito mga 1 hour may gitna. In snowy conditions.
Dito Glenn, namiss ka namin. Hello guys!
Hello.
Japan!
Pagdating dito, yan, ito yung bubungad sa'yo, tindahan siya ng tsokolate. No? Saka meron parang mini canteen. This is the only free area. Meaning, ito lang yung area na walang bayad. Kasi pagpapasok ka dun sa factory, papakita sa'yo yung mga processes, how they produce and make their chocolates, may bayad na. That's 1,200 yen. That's what we bought with these time tickets. So they open at 10 a.m. and it is now 10:17 a.m. So papasok kami doon and we have an option to also participate in a chocolate workshop. Ikaw yung gagawa ng sarili mong chocolates. Pero may additional pambayad doon, di ba? Yung chocolate workshop. So tingnan natin sa loob kung ano. So we're excited to see how Roy's chocolates are sourced and produced here in Hokkaido, Tobetsu, Hokkaido. Let's go. Ano siya no? Matipid yung mga Hapon kasi papapasukin ka tapos bibigyan ka ng ganyan. Ano ba tawag dyan? Tapos, yan, sasabihin lang sa'yo yung mga araw saan ka pupunta. Pero walang tour guide, ikaw na bahala sa sarili mo. Ganun yung efficiency ng mga Japanese. No?
Let's go.
Let's go. Third floor. Oh, see? So pupunta mo tayo sa Columbia. Magsisimula tayo from the very start. From the tree, the cacao. Pinapuntahan daw natin yung hacienda natin. Di ba nag-invest ka dyan?
Ay, tarya lang kinaya.
Yan yung cacao beans. Farm to bar. Loading. We are at the Moai statues. It's like the Stonehenge in Hokkaido. We are in Minami Ward, Hokkaido. Ganda. Wow. They're really big pala. Kala ko maliliit lang.
Your destination is on the left.
Yun yung Buddha na pupunta rin natin. Dito lang yan, pero you have to look for parking. Ayun, right. Parking siguro yun, no? Nililid na tayo, no? Going there, no? Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ano pa naman ang weather sa
Paglalakarin ka talaga dito. Ito, paid parking, bayad pa yung parking. Pero ako rin 500 lang. Okay, dito na tayo.
Salita ka.
Ha? Ano sasabihin ko? Hindi ako marunong mag-vlog. Hello guys. Welcome to Japan. Parang si Tito Gan lang.
Wow. Ayan, may Stonehenge din pala doon. Dito pala, oh. Tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Minami Ward, Hokkaido, and we're here to see first the Hill of the Buddha. It's actually a symbol of a cemetery here, no? And they commissioned a famous architect to do it.
Let's walk.
Yan, nakikita nyo. Kita nyo, ulo lang niya yung nakikita niya. Sinadya talaga nila na nakatakip yung Hill of the Buddha. So, dito may incense. Pagpasok mo doon, pag nakita mo siya, kakaroon ka ng sense of awe. Pupunta kami doon sa ano. Again, Tadao Ando daw yung nag-design yan sa Stonehenge replica here in Minami Ward in the cemetery here. So after the hill of the Buddha, Stonehenge replica, and then over there you see
Music pa na ano.
pero for now, Winter Wonderland. But actually, this is cemetery. Part park cemetery, part tourist attraction. Yan. Nandito tayo ngayon. So, yung architect na gumawa doon sa Hill of the Buddha, he wanted a place of prayer daw dahil hindi lang to park, hindi lang to tourist spot. It's also a cemetery. So, gumawa rin siya ng Stonehenge in the middle of it all. Yan. So, it's a replica of the Stonehenge. You don't need to go to the UK, to Europe. Gusto dito. Punta ka lang ng Sapporo, punta ka ng Hokkaido. Minami Ward, may Stonehenge. Okay, we're at the entrance of the Mount Moiwa Ropeway. So, nandito kami sa baba. Akyat kami sa 4th floor. Kami ng tickets to sa ropeway. 2,100 yen ang tickets. Two-way. So, mahirap naman pag one-way. Ano? So, doon ka lang. So, two-way. Ayan, hopefully maganda yung weather, maganda yung sights, hindi masyadong cloudy, hindi masyadong snowy para mas maganda yung view ng Sapporo. Ito.
Hila.
All different ones.
We're on our way to Otaru. There are directions. Otaru is a seaside town. I don't know if it's a town or municipality here in Hokkaido. It means ano raw, sandy beach in Japanese, or
Sandy.
sandy beach kasi malapit talaga siya sa dagat.
Kahit nakatabi sa dagat,
Ano,
snow
kita mo rin
talaga.
dagat eh. Pag nag
Hindi natutunaw ng yung snow, hindi kaya ng dagat.
Ito, pag nagmamaneho ka dito sa Hokkaido, napansin namin ni Tito Cliff, marami kang dadaanan na bundok, forest, walang katao-tao. Tapos bigla magugulat ka na lang, ay ano, kung ang daming, may centers of civilization, ang daming buildings, ang daming bahay, ang daming ilaw. Ayan, like this. Ano mo, sa harap natin.
Experience mo driving in snow. Ice.
Ngayon wala pa eh. Parang normal lang. Pag-alam ko lang para. Natatakot lang ako baka biglang may madulas eh. Mga frozen pala.
Ano to? Nakasabit yung dried fish nila. We're here now in Otaru and exploring with the family. It's on the left. Look at that. Pwede ka na slide talaga doon sa bubong. Ano?
May ano yan, may canal cruise, canal boat
Ginawa
cruise.
nila ano.
Okay. We're approaching Otaru Canal, no? The world famous Otaru Canal, and magta-try kami kung merong available boat cruise here. Yan, tingnan natin.
Brief history ng Otaru.
Itong Otaru Canal, nung unang panahon kasi, naisip ng mga tao, malapit din sila sa dagat, so gawa tayo ng kanal. Palabas ng dagat. Kaya lang, yung mga Hapon magaling talaga eh. Nung ginawa nila yung kanal, ang ganda. Sumikat sa ano ngayon, sa mga turista. Kaya ayan. sikat na ang Otaru Canal. Opening soon. Ayan, Otaru Canal Cruise. Opening soon. Tatanong natin magkano. Gusto nyo mag-cruise? Magkano ba? Opening at 10. Okay, we are now here in Otaru. And of course, on Otaru, you go to Otaru Canal, the most famous tourist spot nila. It was built in the 1920s. No? It's more than 1,000 meters long. 1,140 I think. Tapos originally built siya yung mga stone warehouses. Yan. Warehouses dati yan kasi doon dagat siya. So, siguro pagkatapos sila mangisda, dito nila store. Tapos originally with gas lamps. So now, in-reserve nila yung mga stone warehouses as they were built way back in 1920. Kinonvert lang into museums, shops, and cafes. Pati yung mga gas lamps nandyan pa rin. So, very beautiful. When in Otaru, go to Otaru now. Day cruise is 1.8 per person.
Also a great place to live if you like the outdoors. The water in the port is dark green. It is not dirty. There are many plant plankton in the water. These tiny creatures photosynthesize and turn green just like plants. Many plankton means many fish. Otaru is famous for seafood, especially sushi.
We're still at Otaru, and just a few hundred meters away from the Otaru Canal is the Tamiya Line ruins. Ito, ano yan? Train tracks yan. Pero hindi lang nakikita kasi kasi natatakpan ng snow.
O siyan. Napagod na yung vlogger natin. Subuhan mo natin ng
Sige. Maganda. Thank you. Sa gabi maganda siguro dito kasi may light festival. Yung mga nakikita niyo parang conical structures na yan. May mga ilaw yan sa gabi. So napakaganda. So sikat naman itong Tamiya Line ruins dahil ito ang first railway sa Hokkaido Prefecture. So, very first ito. So, hindi na siya ginagamit ngayon. Pero, dahil may historical significance siya, hindi siya inalis. Diba? So, maraming ganun dito. Yung Otaru Canal, actually, wala na rin gamit. Pero, yung mga residents ng Otaru, they fought for its preservation rather than its destruction. So, just goes to show na ngayon world renowned and world famous tourist attraction. So pag pinipreserve mo talaga yung history, magkakaroon din ng magandang benefits para sa iyong city or town, no? Yan, tinaman may kandila, Ayan, may kandila, may naiwan silang isang kandila. Pero mamayang gabi lalagyan na naman ng mga kandila all over. Cute. Owls. Ang galing. Owls sila. So, at night, you'll see all these illuminated. I don't know if we'll be able to see them again tonight. Pero if not, you can just imagine kung gaano kaganda dito pag gabi. Diba? Siguro, may mga kandila dyan na nakabukas. Tapos may falling snow. Tapos, backtrack mo Otaru Canal. Kung hindi ka in love, pag dumaan ka dito kasama yung nanliligaw sa'yo o nililigawan mo, malamang pagdating doon sa bridge na yan, may jowa ka na. Kasi ganun ka-romantic dito. We're still in Otaru, and right now, binabaybay natin yung Sakamichi Street. No? It's a very quaint, beautiful street, featuring old brick houses. You see? Old brick houses and preserved, and mga dating stoneware houses, preserved sa ngayon. turned into cafes, shops, and stores, touristy stores. Parang ano siya, di ba, naarahas ng Monte Sando, yung Sensoji Temple, merong din daanan na puro tindahan doon. Ito yung parang katumbas sa Otaru. Sakaimachi. Sakaimachi Street. Ganda. Nice. Tapos tinan mo,
Ganda.
merong mountain doon sa ano niya, tabi niya. Tapos, parang may pangharang ng anti-avalanche yata yan siguro. Kasi kung wala siguro yan, nagdidire-diretso yung snow na babaksak dito sa mga tindahan na yan. Pag bumigat masyado, babaksak lahat yan. Pero, hinaharangan ng mga yan. Sikat din daw yan, oysters dito, scallops. Kaya lang kasi to tourist trap tong lugar na to no? Mga presyo. Yung mga eel din, no, Tito Cliff. Mahal. We're going to another museum dito sa Otaru. At the end of Sakaimachi Street. It's called the Music Box Museum. Music Box Otaru. Marami tayong alam dito The steam clock was made by Canadian clockmaker Raymond Sanders.
Pangalan mo ba?
Parang completed na 1994. Bago-bago lang. Ano yan naman yung malapit sa Banawe? Dapitan. Maraming ganyan sa Dapitan. Yung mga Japanese interpreters.
東とは思われない。人は誰がだと一つや
Hawakan mo na lang.
やこたつや。人な誰だって一つや二つや。それ以上の悲しみやもかしみを持ちながら生きているのかもしれない。悲しみが多ければ。
Tungkol po siya sa mag-isa. Huwag daw po isipin yung mga suffering sa problema sa buhay, yung mga kalungkutan po sa buhay.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow pa mo. Tama.
Beautiful.
What can you say about the message of it?
Life is short, travel always. Always is forever.
If you don't have money.
Wash your hands.
If you don't have money,
Yes.
don't be sad.
Pag birthday mo, ka na maganda. Mag-travel ka na lang.
Happy Valentine's tomorrow.
Oh yeah! Happy Valentine's Day.
pupunta ha.
Ano, yung parking dito.
Daming tao. Ang dami ng tao bigla.
Parking may bayan.
Masaya pala dito, Sage eh.
Masaya pala dito eh.
Ang dami action ano.
Pala dito tayo nag-stay.
Saya dito, mukhang kahit isang tindahan wala tayong ma-afford.
Hello guys, we're here at Niseko Luxury Resorts. As I said, it's luxury because prices here are on the upside, so upper scale I mean. You have to go to Niseko because that's where we belong. you know? So,
Without the turbo.
Welcome to the world's most beautiful and most powdery snow. This is real, guys. This is real.
So, Tita Jules and I talked to our friend here, our buddy, and we reserved ski slope just for us, you know, VIP. And we're gonna have lessons later. Right. See you.
Seryosong vlog? Oh, seryoso na, seryoso.
Good day, good day. Kanina na, nasa Otaru tayo. We drove 2 hours. We drove all the way to Niseko through harsh snow, winter, extreme driving conditions. But nakakagulat. Walang tao doon sa dinadaanan namin. Bigla na lang, magugulat ka. May oasis na ang daming tao, ang daming hotels. And that's Niseko Luxury Resorts for you. Ito ang playground ng mga mayayamang Hapon, mga mayayamang ski and snowboard enthusiasts all over the world. Ang snowboard, tayo helmet and snow visors. Ready to snowboard. Then, sa anak ko to, sa totoo lang, ako takot ako mag-snowboard.
This is the world's finest snow.
Powdery.
Powdery oh, powdery.
Sabi nga Tito Julius, this is the world's most powdery snow. Ano yan? Look it up sa Google. Let's go! Bye-bye, Sid. Bye. Sige. Sorry, hindi kami makapagtagal, Sid, ha? Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Hey.
Ingat.
Gusto yung Niseko ride.
Going up, medyo nakakatakot kasi nga, extreme weather conditions. Hindi mo na nakikita yung daan. Pero pababa, there was parang a national highway. It's not a scenic, pero mas mahaba siya, pero mas safe, mas diretso. Parang masyadong snow. Tsaka palaging ni-scrape yung ice. So, thankful we got back safe and sound with no issues, with no mishaps.
Back to
thank you.
Otaru.
Back to Otaru. Kami sa food park, malapit doon sa parking namin. Sarap nung kinain ko. Umami spicy hormone hot pot. Maanghang siya at mainit na soup. So, sakto. Sa Pilipinas mo kakainin yun, maanghang, mainit, pawis na pawis ka. Dito hindi. Umiinit ka, naiinitan ka, pero hindi ka pinapawisan. So, sakto. Perfect for the weather. Spicy and hot.
Philippine buffalo.
Very oishi.
Yaman niya.
はいどうぞ。はい、ありがとうございます。はいどうぞ。
Kain po.
Oh, wow, wow.
Asawa na siya.
Ano yan? Ang gulo na.
Asawa na siya.
Ano yan?
Yung sa akin, abstract. Yaw naman.
Kaya nag-away sila, nagtatampo yung tatay.
Ano yan?
Yan. This is, you know, in the Otaru Light Festival, a lot of artists went here all over the world to
Josh, pag yung video, may gumagawa pa ako.
to make works of art.
Video mo
And
rin
like
kami.
that, you know. And Tito Julius and I, we decided to make our entry and participate. This is our entry. And we already had two pictures from Japanese here. They said they are kawaii. Okay, we will wait.
They're also buying them. 100 yen each. But we did not sold them. These are priceless.
This is priceless, yes. That's art.
Priceless. Tinyangarong yung kaya.
This will become viral.
Tuloy ang brand.
We will have more time.
Oh.
Makapila na lang. Makapila na lang. Makapila na lang. Makakontago. Ang donation. Yan yung mga gulo. Photographer. Professional photographer. Ini ako ha. Siyempre ini ako ha. Gulo. Dito ka siya. Kadapi naman.
Kumagadward tayo. Dapat pala gumawa tayo ng ganyan doon sa ano? Sa Sapporo High School. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sapporo Beer Museum in the heart of Sapporo. There's a beer. I learned about this beer doon sa movie Nakita Kita kasi yung palagi iniinom ni Empoy doon. Diba? Drunk shot, the start of the movie. He was drinking Sapporo. At kita niya yung pangalan, so nagpunta siya dito. So it's a beer named after the place. Let's go. Hindi masyadong malamig lang. Ayos.
Sintang beer, gawa tang kahit yan. Drama, real quick.
Ang drama tang.
Tangkita.
Kita.
Hindi mo, nininom mo kayo. Ay, malasing first time. Kaya ba't ganito dumalang ka?
Para po, ayan.
Let's go. Here in the Sapporo Beer Museum, we're gonna try out their beers. There's some beers that are exclusive, only here in Sapporo, or Sapporo as they say it. And then some are available in different countries. So we're gonna try it now.
kape na tayo dito sa beer tasting cube. And among the brews na available dito, kukunin natin yung Kaitakuchi, I think. Kaitakuchi brew. It's a faithful reproduction now of the original brew of Sapporo. Only available here at the Sapporo Beer Museum, nowhere else. So that's a must. Ito na daw available pa.
Alam mo na yung kanino tayo na. Nandito mo. Go black.
Mas malasa sa. Actually, mas murigin. It's good. It's good. It's really good. It's smooth. It's tasty. Better than sa classic beer kasi yung classic nila medyo matabang. Ito, mas may flavor. Full body. Good. This is the pioneer beer or what they call in Japanese as Kaitakushi beer. Maraming beer flavors dito. Merong Sapporo Classic, merong Sapporo beer. Yung Sapporo Classic available sa Hokkaido lang. So, it's available outside. Pero ito kasi Kaitakushi beer, it's only available here, nowhere else. So, if you're going to Sapporo Beer Museum and you're gonna do beer tasting, this is a must taste. Kasi dito lang siya mabibili at matitikman. Wala nang ibang lugar. And it's good. It's really good. Sarap, grabe.
Want more?
Kulang na lang sisig.
Lakad. Bye, Hokkaido!
See you soon! See you December!
Arigatou gozaimasu. Kusa, parang init ka.
Init? Naglaro kami ng basketball, talo kami ng 2 points, tapos ang init pa ng gym na natin, dami pa lamok, grabe.
Ay, palamig ka muna.
O pare ko, itong beer na to. Ayun na pa nakapalamig para sa'yo.
Yun!
Gusto mo
Thank you
konting
very
yelo?
much, mga pre. Oh,
Give mo yelo. Yelo. Give mo yelo pare. Kapay pare. Kapay.